Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down three popular gaming Linux distros, CachyOS, Nobara, and Bazzite, so you know which one fits your setup. Starting with CachyOS, think of it as Arch Linux on energy drinks. Every part is optimized for speed. Benchmarks shows 10 to 20% higher frame rates compared to Ubuntu and its competitors. But here's the catch. It's Arch based, so you need some technical knowledge, but it's perfect for competitive gamers chasing every frame. Next up, we have Nobara. Nobara is Fedora based and comes with preloaded with everything a gamer needs: NVIDIA drivers, multimedia codecs, wine dependency, OBS Studios, and more. Version 42 is rolling release with open source NVIDIA drivers. Basically, it's the most polished out of the box gaming experience, great for anyone who wants Linux gaming without headaches. Finally, we have Bazzite. Now, it's built on Fedora Atomic. It's like SteamOS, but better. It offers atomic updates with rollback, so if an update breaks something, you can instantly revert it. Its immutable design prevents accidental system crashes during late night gaming. Supports both GNOME and KDE, includes proprietary drivers, and gives a console like experience on any hardware. Ideal for couch gaming or handle setups like Steam Deck. So here's the bottom line. I want to say CachyOS is best for it's best for its raw performance and competitive gamers, while Nobara best for hassle-free polished Linux gaming, and Bazzite it's best for console-like gaming on any hardware with rock-solid stability. And that's it. Now, if this helped you pick your distro, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!